Hi, welcome to the channel. Hope everything is well with you. If you don't know me, my name is Paulo and I'm here today to talk to you about power windows in Davinci Resolve. So, what is a power window? So, a power window is something that allows you to select a part of your video clip to color grade. So, the best way to demonstrate this is in the computer. So, let's jump in the computer and see what we can do with the power windows. So here we are at the computer. Uh, as you can see, I already have two clips in the timeline. I have this one and this one. And we're gonna color correct and color grade these videos with power window. So let's jump to the color page. So let's start by adding a power window in here. So for adding a power window, you come to this icon right here where it says window. We click it and we have all these options. So we have the linear one, the circular one, the polygon, the curve, and the gradient. So let's start by adding a circular one. You click it and it appears in here. You can move it to where you want. You can resize it. You can do whatever you want. Let me put this in the beginning of the clip and let's put this. As you can see, we have a white line here with these dots and then a thin line inside and outside. This is the feather. This is to increase or decrease the feathering of the mask. Now you have the mask. Of course, if you play it, the mask will stay at the same place. So for that, we're gonna track the object. Let's go to the tracking, to the camera tracking. It's here. It's this option, the next to here. And I don't want to rotate. I just want pan, tilt, and zoom. And let's track it forward because I'm in the beginning, and it's tracked. So let's go here. Now you can see, for you to see what is inside of the window that you can adjust, you come here to the corner, and now as you can see we have the power window. Now it's easier to see. If I increase this or decrease, you can see the feathering increasing or decreasing. Let's remove this and now we can adjust what's inside of our window. So let's increase the saturation, let's increase a little bit the contrast, and now if we enable and disable, you can see the difference between this. So it's done. This one is done. Let's add another node, serial node in here, and let's adjust here this area around here. So for that we're gonna come to here to this one. I'm gonna press one in here, in here. We can select outside of the image and let's close it. And if you want, you can adjust like this. You can add or remove points. And now you have the mask inside. You can see this is what is selected. Now you can come here to the softness, increase or decrease, the inside and the outside. And now you can adjust what's inside of the window. Let's increase saturation. Let's increase a little bit. And if you want to disable this, you come here to this. If you don't want to not disable, if you don't want to see it, come here to this corner and turn it off. And now if you can see the difference between those, you can do whatever you want. You can. And now it's done. So we already have two power windows. You can add more. Let's add another node. And in this node, let's add the gradient. So as it appears this line with this arrow, you can move it, you can rotate it, And this is, let's put like this. So this is the strength and the softness at the same time. So let's try to do something. Look, so you are doing in the outside. If you want to change the mask, just click in this one, and it's only in this direction. So this is the grading with power windows and without. So you can see the difference. Of course, if you have the studio version, you can use the magic mask and avoid this, and it's more perfect because it doesn't have any spill outside of the subject. But if you don't have it, this is the best way of doing is with these power windows. So as you can see, you have a lot of options and you have multiple things you can do with the power windows. This is also a powerful tool in Davinci Resolve. This one works both in the studio and in the free version. So for you that have only the free version, you can use it. And I hope this information was helpful. And if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I launch a video. Until there, bye!